Job stories are an integral part of our game thinking rapid innovation system, and when used well, they'll help you find product market fit. In the next 3 minutes, find out how job stories work and what they can do for you. A job story is a 3-part story told from your customer's point of view that captures what your customer is trying to do and why. Job stories follow the form: when I experience a trigger, I want to take an action so I can get a desired outcome. The best job stories come out of research. For instance, on one project, we interviewed dozens of stay-at-home moms who'd recently left the workforce. And over again, we heard some version of this story. When I get the kids off to daycare and have a moment to myself, I want to look through beautiful images of a home life I aspire to so I can feel inspired and escape the drudgery of my daily routine. This story captures a common ritual that these busy moms would do in order to lift their mood. It includes a repeating situation, a behavior triggered by that situation, and a desired emotional outcome. This job story describes an existing pattern of customer behavior, not a product feature. That's a key difference between this type of research-based job story and an Agile user story that describes a hypothetical persona and a chunk of product work. A job story is about motivation and context, and a good one might cause you to reevaluate some of your most fundamental assumptions, like our mom-based job story did for the founders of Happify, a mental health app. These two brilliant founders from the gaming industry assumed that customers would want to play games in order to lift their mood and get happier. And we'd invested time and energy into designing a gaming interface for the app. But when we tested our ideas, we learned that these busy moms really liked browsing through beautiful photos in order to lift their mood. And their reaction to our gaming interface? They thought it looked stressful and like too much work. These research findings were tough to swallow. So after some soul searching, we bit the bullet and changed the app's interface to be more like Pinterest and less like a game. And that's when the app started to take off. That's the power of job stories. They let you express existing behavior patterns in a form that designers can use to build the right features and accelerate product market fit. By the way, job stories come out of the jobs to be done movement, where customers hire a product to get a job done and fire that product if it's not good enough. So if you want to tighten the loop between research and design, give job stories a try. To learn more about job stories and jobs to be done, check out these videos. Let's get smarter together. I'll see you in the next video.